My heart, my soul, my head is pounded, and I need to make amends with the thoughts in my head. There's no gray in my palette of colors. There's glitter and gold, like my nail polish to remember, and a heart blue like the night with stars I so desperately want to light. My eyes, thoughts, movements get blurry with despair, and I don't know how to cope. But wait in your warmth till your words and warmth fade me out, and my racing heart slows down till your words and warmth fade me out, and my racing heart slows down till your words and warmth fade me out, and my racing heart slows down till your words and warmth fade me out. My racing heart slows down. Da 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 da. Oh, 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 oh. Da 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 da. Oh, 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 oh. My feet crumble like sand underneath, unnoticed by my stormy head, where thoughts blow and whistle.